Goan Navri. Navri is a Kangani sweet that is quite similar to a karanji from Maharashtra or Bhujiya from Uttar Pradesh. It is stuffed with a grated coconut along with almonds. Kaju Katli. Barfis made with cashew nuts. Kaju Katli is one of the most popular giveaways during Diwali. This season, surprise your friends and family with homemade treats. Rava Ghee. Step away from the usual with this creamy concoction of milk, dry fruits, and suji. Chocolate Bhujiya Fusion is the flavor of the season. Serve the good old bhujiyas in a modern avatar with a creamy chocolate chip stuffing. Padam Halwa and Barfis. With the same ingredients you can choose to make two desserts. Loaded with almonds, khoya, milk and poppy seeds. You can enjoy the warmth of the halwa or serve as barfis decorated with silver leaves. Shahi Tukara. This has been a favorite since ancient times and is super easy to make. Slices of bread are fried, soaked in milk and decorated with nuts. Mohantal. Mohantal is a fudge-like Indian dessert made with gram flour. It is popularly made in Rajasthan and Gujarat, especially during Diwali. Fattish. This is a traditional Bengali dessert. Thin cakes are made with rice flour, maida and suji and served with a coconut jaggery filling. Mysore Pak. As the name suggests, this original recipe of this Indian dessert is known to have originated in the Mysore Palace. It is a rich mix of desi ghee, gram flour and sugar. Coconut Til Laddus. A 3-ingredient recipe with coconut, sesame seeds and dates. Your aching sweet tooth should be served in minutes. Chawal ki kheer. Fragrant basmati rice simmered in whole milk sweetened with sugar makes chawal ki kheer the perfect dish to celebrate the festival of Diwali. This rice pudding can be prepared easily and quickly. Flavored with green cardamom powder, garnished with silvered almonds and pistachio nuts. This would be tea. A perfect Indian dessert to relish with family and friends.